So why do I enjoy Satsman.com so much? Why do I want to share it with everybody I ever talk to? Why do I think it's so great? It helps you to create good daily habits, positive habits that lead to future gains. Along the way, the worst thing that can happen is you learn a little bit about Bitcoin and you get into the habit of understanding that there is an alternative to everyday fiat money. So those positive habits, yes, they lead to long-term gains, and I'll explain why in a moment. And anything that someone can join for free that is legitimate and honest and could actually put them in a better position in the future has got to be good. Well, I say could. The reality is, if you just join Satsman and you do the absolute minimum as a free member, you're going to earn something. Now, here's the thing. I have earned over 500,000 so far. I joined in December, so we're talking about just over 3 months. And 500,000 Satoshis, as you can see, because they have an onboard calculator, so you can work this out for yourself, is equal right now to $332.54. That's with Bitcoin at 66,000 and a bit dollars. At $100,000, 500,000 Satoshis is basically $500. So I've spent 3 months and a bit coming on to Satsman.com daily, completing a few simple missions, and they are very simple. And the net result is that at the moment I have $332 as a result. But what could I have in time to come? What about in 5 years or 10 years from now? And that's the key. So use the link below. Join Satsman.com. If you want any help from me, I'm here. I'll give it to you because I think Satsman is absolutely brilliant. It's not going to make you rich, by the way, certainly not in the near term, but you'll be part of a community. You'll be getting positive daily habits in place that can help you with all sorts of things, because once you're used to doing something good on a daily basis that helps your future, you can go on to do other things as well. And the total time element here, for me, as a Pro Max member, less than 2 minutes a day. As a free member, maybe it'll be 5 minutes a day. So 5 minutes of good positive habits leading to who knows where, but definitely future gains that you didn't have before you started. Now, there are other Satsman videos here on my channel. I would specifically recommend that you look for those videos that are headed with John's Satsman tutorials, and they will take you through everything you need to know about getting started, what you do on a daily basis, and how simple the whole thing really is. So come join us. At the very least, it's going to show you great daily habits that could lead to future wealth.